When I was younger, my great-grandfather, whom I'm named after, one of his passions was having a small collection of pocket watches. And I was given one of those pocket watches when I turned 18. Being able to take that watch, open it, and look at it and see this amazing piece of American manufacturing from well over 100 years ago, it just enthralled me. I was captivated from the moment I first laid eyes on it. I get a watch just before it gets photographed and put on the website. Usually I'm the last person to be involved with the watch because I'm the one who puts the final touches on the case back to close it up, check the water resistancy, check the timing, and make sure it's good to go.
My favorite watch has to be my first watch that I'm wearing now that my wife gave me. I wore it home a couple of times from the office and really liked it. She showed up and surprised me with my kids for Father's Day to give me the watch. Every watch that we buy or sell, we don't look at it as a Rolex or a Breitling or a Tag. We look at it as John's Rolex or John's Breitling. And we look at it that way coming in, and we look at it when it goes out to the next customer. We want people to understand that they're getting the right watch at the right price and with the right experience. We try to build a relationship with our customers. If someone's having a baby and that's why they're buying their watch, we try to do something fun to kind of mark that occasion and magnify the moment.
I think something that a lot of customers may not realize, and some of my favorite stories in those interactions are, and I say it all the time to clients, we're a bunch of watch nerds. And what's really cool is if you call in, you're gonna get one of 4 or 5 people. You have to be knowledgeable and you have to be in tune with the product, but also you have to care about people.
Back when I was 5, every toy my mom bought for me, I would dismantle it and try and put it back together. You know, as time passed, I started doing jewelry. Watches just interest me, how they work and function, you know, because I'm from a very young age. I always like to know how things work.
By hiring highly empathetic, knowledgeable employees, we've been able to offer a digital experience that is also married with a personal experience. And I think you can't just have one or the other, you have to combine both of those.